ShortSpan corridor video, take 1.
With our angle already installed, we are flying down a 78-foot, 5-foot wide corridor, framing a drywall hard lid with ShortSpan tees. We are doing this in only 14 minutes because with ShortSpan and our new robust lamb angle, you eliminate all measuring and screwing. How did we do this? Well, with ShortSpan drywall tees that we first chop sawed to the correct corridor width. Next, determine the height for locking angle molding. When you begin your first run of lamb, be sure to start the beginning of your run with a cut to the center line of the first locking tab. Simply butt the starting perpendicular wall and screw to studs on 16-inch centers. If you do this the same on both parallel walls, your tabs are guaranteed to line up across from each other. To maintain lamb tab layouts on irregular walls, cut, then push back to align lamb tabs to the adjacent parallel wall. Then attach scrap to the small perpendicular side. You can use our non-locking tab angle or cam at the ends of the corridor. When installing ShortSpan, tight plenum clearance can sometimes make the 1 13/16 inch T difficult to install. Now there's low profile ShortSpan with only a 7/8 inch profile height. Now you can be low profile and span 5 feet with a single layer of 5/8 inch drywall or 6 feet with 1/2 inch lightweight. Coupled with lamb, you've eliminated all screwing and measuring so you can fly down the corridor while reducing valuable man hours. What about supporting access doors or fixtures? Simply align 2 1 13/16 inch ShortSpan tees to create an I-beam by screwing them together 12 inches on center. Here, we are structurally framing out our rough opening with 4 field fabricated ShortSpan I-beams. These will bear the load of your access door or fixture. Follow this up with standard ShortSpan framing represented by the green lines to maintain 16-inch on center framing for the drywall. You will need to screw attach all this framing together. Speed up and simplify your next corridor hard lid with ShortSpan, regular and low profile, combined with lamb locking angle molding from Armstrong.